Right, van's looking a bit rough, boys. Could do with a wash. So what we're going to do today, we're going to be doing some heavy detailing, making it look fabulous. No, of course we're not. We're going to be putting in some GOVEE RGBIC car lights. How very pointless. Let's do it. Right, let's take a look at what we've got. So I thought this would be quite fun. Although I could do with getting rid of a few things in the van. Let's have a look. So this should link up to my phone. Go with all the other GOVEE stuff I've got. Screws. I've got some of the old mammoth tape that I normally use, so that could come in handy. And then we've got a little control we'll stick somewhere. And we've also got 12-volt lighter thing. Ooh, look at that now. That's cool. Right, so we've got some cable in, boys. We need to get rid of that. It could do with a good clean, couldn't it? But can't really be arsed with that. So let's put these lights in. Let's undo this a bit and see how much cable we've got. It looks like it's got sticky on the back of it already. So I'm hoping not to have to do any screwing, because I want it to be not temporary, but certainly not leave a mark when we get rid of the van. One day. May even go electric. What do you think about that? I'm not sure personally if electric cars are the future, but we'll see. Right, so I've had a little sort out as to where it's all going to go. And I've managed to very gently squeeze it in down here. Hopefully you can see where I'm going. Look, you can hardly see it's there. So we'll keep going. Right, I'll just cut this label off because that's not what we want. So that was there somewhere. That's still on. Yeah, that's fine. That's cool. That is going to stick there. Follow that angle. Why are you not sticking? Alright, the next bit. Let's put that up there. So this will fit under here somewhere. There's a bit of a strip there. I can feel it. I can't see it, but I can feel it. Let's give it an alcohol wipe, shall we? See if we can get it to stick first time. I'm under no illusions that this is probably going to drop off after a while. Where's that? Is that it? Okay, cool. So we'll let that dry for a moment. That'll go up there. That'll get hid in there. Then this will make its way over this way. How sticky is this stuff? Maybe. Maybe. No. Okay, so we're going to put some mammoth on this, I think. So I'm sure being GOVEE, the colours are going to be great. But so far the sticky hasn't been as good as the usual tape. Right, how's that? Right, I reckon that's stuck there. That's cool. Right, tuck that in, out the way. So now we've got this coming over here. That'll get tucked up there. Nice. Right, now we can come all the way along here. Up there. And behind the seat somewhere. Right, I'm going to do that because that's tricky to film. So we've snuck around there. come up down there. It didn't stick with its own tape, so we've put a bit more mammoth tape on it. And there it is. So now, just got the other side to root, and we're there. Okay, so I reckon we have to find that bit there. So I have to go over this way a bit. That's nice and tight. That's not going to get in the way of anything. Right. That's cool. Same again this side. Same as other side. You can't see it, there's nothing hanging down. You're not going to catch it with your feet. It comes under there, sneaks around there, and there it is at the back. What I need to do now is find that on the app. I'm not going to go through the app with you because if you've seen anything to do with GOVEE, you'll know the app. You'll have seen some of my videos. I'm not on the app at the moment. I will download that in a minute and come back. But oh yeah, look at that! Look. How nice, but how pointless. That's fantastic. What does that do? Oh, we've got a music mode. At least I can see what I'm meant to be cleaning. Now look at that, we've got blue, on and off. A light blue, purple. So I'm sure you've already seen GOVEE, you know what they're like, you know what these RGBIC strips do. But we've got it on some sort of party mode. That's awesome. So the only thing now left to do is come back when it's darker, and we'll see what we're looking at.
That's right.